Start up and shut down of JUGAODA53T electro-hydraulic servo-numerical control bending machine. First step. Turn on the power. Observe whether the power indicator light is on. Step 2. Release all emergency stop switches. The third step is to turn on the oil pump motor. Step 4. Wait for the system to power on. After power on, select manual mode. In manual mode, we need to ensure the correctness of the mold. You can click on the upper mold. Select the corresponding mold number according to the actual installed mold. After selecting the mold, we need to check whether the mold of the machine is installed correctly. The tooltip of the upper mold and the groove center of the lower mold need to be perpendicular to a straight line. There can be no deviation. Simultaneously measure the width of the lower mold. According to the measured mold width, check whether the parameters of the corresponding mold are correct. After confirming that it is correct, we click the Run button. The machine will move upwards. Search for reference points. The shutdown operation of JUGAODA53T electro-hydraulic bending machine. First, enter manual mode. Run the machine. Check whether the Y-axis and X-axis are correct. After confirming that it is correct, we can operate the down foot pedal. Make the upper mold of the machine stay at a height of 10-20 mm from the lower mold. To ensure that the machine has room to move to find a reference point after booting. After the stay, click the stop button. Turn off the oil pump. Power off. Finally, turn off the total power supply of the machine.